All right, so here they are. These are VMS racing wheels. I believe the spec is 17 by 9 plus 35. I'm not sure, I have to double check that. But these are 5 by 100, so these will bolt right up to the BRZ. So let's get to that.
This thing looks absolutely insane with the meaty rear tires. It's a little dirty. I would clean it, but you know, it's a little cloudy out, so I don't think it'll be worthwhile.
Ooh, that's nice. That's very nice. Toyota Century? Normally these meets are pretty crap, but tonight is kind of decent. Got an A86. What?
Are we gonna stay here for a little bit?
Blah, 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 blah. Oh shit.
The shop.
Hey babe.
Yes, baby.
Could I have one?
Yes, baby.
There's currently cops out right now. Vertex Aristo over here that I want to check out.
I've never seen someone run a turbo kit on a case.
One J. One day I'm gonna get something like this. Right hand drive, JZ power. That or an ISF. The meet's been out for about an hour now and they're already telling people to leave. This color's nice. Oh. Earthwing.
That guy is not. He's gonna end up really in a small line.
Oh my dad's calling me. Is he really?